Hello everyone, welcome back. In Instagram, if swipe to reply option in messages is not working, then we have to do the following step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. That you can see swipe to reply option is working here. If it's not, then what we have to do, we have to force close the Instagram app, then tap and hold the app store. After that, tap on updates. Here we have to check the list. Is there is any update available for Instagram? If is there is, then we have to update the Instagram app first. After the update of Instagram app, hopefully you will get rid of the issue. If not, then do one more thing, launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That if you're still facing the same issue, then launch Instagram, tap on your profile icon. Here we have to tap on three lines in top right corner and tap settings, scroll. Here we have to find and tap on help. To help, take a screenshot of your problem, then tap report a problem. Go back and shake phone. Now you will shake your phone. Tap again report a problem. Now include and continue. Here you will briefly explain what you are facing and attach the screenshot that you are facing. The problem swipe to reply is not working and send to the Instagram team. Hopefully you will get back the Instagram team to you to resolve your problem. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.